Hi, my name is Duncan, and we are in Tarzana, California. Actually, it was my wife's idea to do the ADU, so after I saw the possibilities, I was on board as well. Yeah, my wife was researching online, and she interviewed a couple of different companies, and finally she decided on 360, and I met with the guys. I think Jonathan was the one that helped us the most at 360 to connect and make the plan. 360 really handled everything. They handled the permits and plans and all the inspections and virtually everything that needed to be done. Everything got coordinated and scheduled and got done. 360 has a good team. You know, everybody kind of works together well and communicates well. So there was a lot of communication in the whole process. It's been a long road, but we're quite happy that we're at the end and everything's done, and it feels good to have this thing completed. I really appreciate all the help with 360 and the team. Everybody worked together well and came out well. Thanks.